Hey guys, I just wanted to make this video real quick and tell you about the new recipe feature that I've put on the app. So here you see the app. If you go to your groceries now, and let's say we want to scroll down to kale here, you can see a new button here, food recipes for kale. And if you click on that, you get different, you know, names of the recipes like crispy sausages and greens. If you click on that or the picture, it's going to take you to the section of the site where it gives you the entire instructions, the ingredients, and a lot of times it will have a video at the bottom. So, and then the other way that you could get to the different recipes, if you click this little food recipe but icon, and let's say that you wanted something with carrots, CAR, carrots, okay, click search, and it's going to give you a list of different foods that have carrots in them. And then whenever you click on the thing, it'll take you right there. At the bottom you can see you can watch a YouTube video on how to prepare the recipe, and you could also print the recipe out just like that. So I want to let you guys know about this real quick, because I know there's a lot of you that are like, okay, well, it'd be nice to have if we had some recipes and stuff. And so I included that in the app. I'll see you guys in the next video.